Balanced diet. Food. We all love food. I mean, it's essential for our survival. Feels weird to say something so obvious, right? Anyways, food gives us energy, helps in growth, builds our immunity, and so much more. But just like any other activity, eating can also be done in the right way and the wrong way. And this video is just about that. So let's dig just right in after the intro. Welcome back. I'm Jennifer Merchant from Smart Medical Buyer, and today we are going to talk about eating the right way. Eating right can be very challenging. I understand that choosing a healthy meal over a gorgeous cheese overload carb meal can be tough for some and downright impossible for some. After all, making healthy food choices is not a one time thing, right? You gotta choose. The secret lies in making the correct choice over and over again. But why do we have to make these difficult choices when we live only once, right? Well, there are a few reasons that push us to make these healthy choices. 1. Healthy food, good mood. Studies have shown that having a balanced diet with the correct proportion of carbs, protein, fiber, minerals, and vitamins play a significant role in keeping anxiety, mood swings, and depression at bay. While unbalanced food and diet can make you lethargic, grumpy, sleepy, and unproductive most of the times. 2. Metabolic requirement. Skipping meals and consuming very high quantities of carbs can slow down your metabolism and consequently hamper weight management. This can lead to obesity related comorbidities, and that's why you see a lot of youngsters suffering with the heart, liver, and lung issues these days. Working out can help the metabolism, but without the right food, it cannot do anything. 3. Physical health. The gut is the source of all physical ailments, and the healthier you eat, the healthier your gut is. Deficiency of vitamins, minerals, fat, protein can significantly affect the physical growth and development. For example, lack of vitamin D3 can cause joint pains. Lack of protein stops muscle growth. This brings me to the next point. 4th, aging. Once we start aging, our bodies take more time to repair the damages. Degeneration of certain cells are also initiated. In order to maintain physical and mental integrity, consuming a balanced meal will not just help but becomes of prime importance. There is a reason why food has always been the epicenter of reverse aging researchers. 5. Immune system build up. In order to build up immunity, one must consume vitamin C and minerals which help in absorption of the same. Remember, a stronger immunity will help you lead a good life and keep frequent viral attacks away and letting the body strengthen its guard. Now that we have the reasons why we should eat healthy, let's look at a few ways you can have a healthy diet. 1. Balance. Balanced diet is all about maintaining the required amount of protein, minerals, fat, water, fiber, carbs, and minerals. Carbs must be in the highest quantity, followed by protein and fiber. Make sure you have an intake of 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. 2. Variety. Different nutrients are absorbed in different ways depends on the source from which they are coming. Carbs coming from a burger versus carbs coming from a banana are absorbed by the body at varying speeds and will definitely make a difference as you age. Fruits can help you with certain vitamins, whereas vegetables like spinach can fulfill the need for minerals like iron and potassium. Rotating amongst the healthy food options will definitely ensure fulfillment of all the needs. 3. Making a healthier choice. Well, multigrain bread as well as white bread both suffice your carb requirements. However, multigrain bread is a better option as it provides you with flax seeds, healthier grains, and refined white flour. The same goes with fluid needs. A fresh juice without sugar is definitely better than the packaged beverages that are overloaded with additional chemicals that add absolutely no value to our dietary requirements. 4. Personalization. All living beings are distinguished with different kinds of bodies and different genetic codes. It is advised that you keep a check on your deficiencies to ensure a healthy, balanced diet. Getting a full body checkup with blood tests done once a year is a way to understand what your body is craving for. I understand that carb load foods like fries, aloo puri, and processed foods make us very happy as they release endorphins and dopamine, which is why most of us categorize it as comfort food or feel good food. Consumption of these foods can be tracked and do not overdo it. Having cheat days or meals is healthier and the right way to go. Which brings me to the last point now. How do we make a choice? How do we keep a schedule? The answer mostly lies in one place: your grocery shopping. Pick up healthier items over unhealthy ones, even if they cost more. Pick fruits over biscuits as snacks. Make sure you're not hungry while grocery shopping, else it tends to play with our choices. Bookmark only the healthier restaurants in your Zomato and Swiggy apps so you see those first. Don't go too long without eating, else again you will not be thinking with your brain. And most importantly, when you must eat something that you know is unhealthy, eat smaller portions. If it's at home, just cut out half of what you ordered and leave it in the fridge for your next cheat session. And drink lots of water before so you feel satiated earlier. And throughout all this, find a partner who will help you take these steps, because to be honest, it is difficult to have to do this all alone. And in the process, not one, but two of you will get healthier. So that's it from me this time. Press the like button if you like this video. To subscribe, press subscribe. Bell button for notifications every time we put up a video. Do mention your thoughts about this video in the comment section. I shall reply to them. Thank you.